Yes, people, good afternoon, good afternoon. Right now you see this is St. Aubin and the BSB radio. And because of the whole of association and things that them said about us Jamaican, I just want to prove to the world that we still have some good Jamaican around. And in the same breath, I want to prove to the world that there are some good gentlemen still around. Well, the evidence is in this policeman action. Yes, there are still good people around, and we have to big up the policeman here. Have a look, people, and tell me what you say. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, you know. Give the officer some support, because he's really a gentleman. The man carry the woman across the water. Have a look.
PR. Good job, officer. Good job.
Hey,
Yes, oh boy.
that's it. Get tired of the water, man.
Yes, officer. Good job.